So it will tell me 6. So here, this is from standard. Okay? I don't need it from standard. I need fixed number. I need 10. So, okay? So you can here say fixed number. I need 10. So now, required how much? 10. If I make it 20, it will say here 20. If you use the standard, it will calculate by itself. Or you can say percentage. I need 10% of the parking or for accessibility. Depends on your area. Okay? For now, I'll use standard. Okay. Accessibility parking. This one and apply. Okay, so now required 6, current 3, required 3. So we have 3 different type of activity parking. If it's right, handicap, or left, handicap, or both. So what's the difference? Here, if we zoom in, this one, you need left axis, right axis, or shared axis. Left axis, it will do in the left. If you do it right axis, it will do what? In the right. So it gives more space on right. It gives more space on left. The shared. Exactly. Let's say here. So now I have 2 accessibility. So I have 2 accessibility, one for here, one for here, to minimize the. So now I have what? 7. So I over like required 6. Now I have 7. So I don't need that 7, so I need to delete one of them. So I go to the red one to delete. I don't need this one. So now I have 6, 6 is good. Okay? And make sure you don't do the parking accessibility like this. We try to make them as we can near the building or the thing they are going to. Okay? Don't make them far away. And you can specify the width and if it's for car, universal, or van, or whatever. Okay. Now we will talk about store numbering. I need to see how many, or I need to number my store. So how to do that? Here I have store numbering. Okay. Do you need to display all number, or the first and last, or first or last? What's the difference? Let's say I need all. If I did hit all, start from which number? Let's say 1. So if I hit the first one, it will number all the store. So I have from 1 to what? 3 to 16 in my case. Now it's what is generated by itself 17. So to start from here to from what? 17, because it ended here 16. Now it starts from 17.
How does it start? From which?
Depends on you. I started from here. If I want to count from here, it will count from there. So it's up to you. Okay? So if I make it first and last, if I did here, so it will only count this number, this one, and this one. Let's say this one 10, this one 30, 13, or 30. So I don't know how much. Okay? If I need the first one, I make it first. If I need only the last one, I can do what? The last. Here, do you need to include accessibility instead of numbering here? Do you need to count these accessibility, or do you need to make them like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6? Do you need 7 or 7? This one 7 or this one 7? Depends if you are include accessibility or not. If you need to remove numbering, you just do the red one. No, I اوكي بداية من البداية from the beginning. Okay, so this is the store numbering. Let's go to a different thing, entrance. Okay, so in this case I have entrance from what? From here. Okay, then I decide.
في اللي قبله هل في يعني شيء يخليني اقدر اعد المواقف كل
الا تروح واحده واحده يعني تعد يعني okay and if you want to see how many all these count without numbering them we can generate report. It will tell you how many stores here. We will talk about it. So if I decided to redesign this parking and I need to open new entrance or exit here. So what to do? Not go from the beginning and do another thing. So we have two ways to do that. We have here what? Entrances. If I hit here, it tell me select a lot. Select your parking. So I will hit this one. Now it tell me you have only one entrance, which is that one. It should be has width and length, but doesn't have now. So how to add a new one? We have two way, new or big. What's the difference between these two? نختار line. كيف يعني؟ Let's say I polyline. So I need polyline. I need this one like this. This one entrance. So I choose this is to be an entrance. So I go to entrance, select your eye, pick this one. So it made it what entrance for me. Okay. Or and it tell me it's 61 width and angle, right angle and left angle. This is one way. The other way to create your without any lines, so you do new. So let's say I want to start from here and I move. You see the width with you. I need it like let's say 30 or 40. So now what I have entrance. So you have two way. You can rename it, edit it, delete it, whatever you want. You can write your draw your line or polyline and pick it, or you can new. The polyline is more accurate, okay, because it's polyline 100. It's gonna be 100. But the new, this one here, you cannot make it sure it's 100. You are moving, okay, but you need to be. It will be hard to get 100. So yes.
The new one, just pick the place.
Okay, move to the end of the entrance. So now step 6 with move whatever you want. Let's say here. Okay. Okay. Any question about the entrance? Okay, let's go to the flow arrow. So here, let's go to the example of flow tutorial. Yes, 13. Yeah, so this one, stop, close. So here in this one, I enter from here, I go this way, I can exit from here or from here. Okay? I don't really want this thing. I need to make this one two way. I want to make this one opposite way. How to do that? We have here flow arrow. If I hit flow arrow, select a lot. I will choose this part anywhere in the middle. Okay? Now, we have two way, one way, or two lane in the same direction. First, I need to select what place or the aisle for you want to change it. So I will choose, let's say, this one. Okay? So now it's one way. I need to make it two way. So you go up to make it what? Two way. So now it's what? Two way. I need to make it two way in the same direction, or two lane in the same direction. I go to the last one. So now it's what?
How can we choose the
Okay, this one to flip the back. just click here. Let's say entrance. Oh, sorry. Flow arrow. Select the plot, then select the path. Okay? I will choose this path. So now I make it 2 lane in the same direction. I need to flip it in the other direction. I do what? This one. So now I'm in the other direction. Okay, I need it 2-way. Right click. What do you recognize here? It's red. That means something wrong. What's the wrong here? Yes,
Directions.
when I generate my parking, when I generate this one, I told this one to be 1 way. You are doing now 2 way. So I need, when I do this, I need to edit my side or my this side. How to do that? Edit side. I choose my side, this one. I have here what? So I make it 2 way. If you go check here, it's what say 2 way. So when I hit 2 way, apply. So I make this one what? 2 way. Now it's what? White. Also make this one 2 way. So now, since it's white, that means it's good. Okay? Let's say I need this one. Flow arrow, the upper one, I need it to flip it. Right click. It's okay. If it's white, no matter. I need this one to make it 2 side or 2 lane. 2 lane. Now it's what? It's red. So how to fix it?
Change
Edit.
sign.
Sign. Not this one. Not this one. This one. Okay. Edit. Okay, now it's red because the turning is not enough. So we have a standard here. We have a standard. Let's say this one. View. As you can see, so a car need to turn or do depend on this area. So if I make it 2 lane, they cannot move depending on the standard. What? Let me check. Yeah, the opposite way, yeah. Yes, in the opposite way. No. I think if you make it 45, maybe.
If you change the angle, it will
Yeah, it will work because they will get easy. Yeah, we will see now in the circulation. Now this part I will show you. Okay, now now we have here design manager. Okay, this one may be helpful for you in your project. So what's this one? So I will create design. I will call it design one. Okay, I put it. This one is design one for this parking lot. Okay. Let's say I change something here. I need to change the flow or let's say this side. This side, and I need to make it 60. Apply. Expand. Here it will be not work, or I will delete something. I make this modification, okay? And I have here 28 store, okay? Yes. It should be, yes, it should be. Yes, I'm just here doing, I'm showing you what's the this one, change should be 35%. Multiply. Still not working. Okay, now that's so this needs this one needed to make it not left, right. Okay, so this one is this left.
Let's say that.
ما عملتش apply.